Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.
For as long as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We have spent more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now, we're going one step beyond with an immersive experience unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene, thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.
DJI Mini 2 Fly, More Combo, Ultralight Foldable Drone 3-axis, Gimbal with 4K camera, 12 MP, photos 31 minutes flight time, OcuSync 2.0 10 km HD video, transmission quick shots gray, brand DJI model name DJI Mini 2, color white control type remote, control video capture resolution, 4K HDR batteries included yes, wireless communication, technology OcuSync 2.0 item, weight 8.78 ounces remote, control included yes battery cell, composition lithium polymer, pack light fly free at less than 249 grams. It weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. OcuSync 2.0 video transmission Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference. Autel Robotics EVO II Pro drone, 6K HDR video, rugged bundle, version 2 no geo, fencing, 2022, newest Fly More combo, brand, Autel model Autel EVO II Pro 6K, drone color orange mirror, adjustment remote control, material plastic media type SD, video capture resolution 6Kr, batteries included no remote, control included yes battery cell, composition lithium polymer. The EVO II Pro version 2 combo includes one ready-to-go EVO II Pro 6K drone, 1 battery, 4 EVO II low noise propellers, 1 gimbal holder, 1 32GB SD card, 1 remote control, 2 extra batteries, 8 extra EVO II low noise propellers, 1 extra 64GB SD card, 1 hard plastic case etc. This bundle is backed by 30 days, replacement or full refund, 12 months free from defects, services. Any concerns or issues, please contact Autel Robotics, Outlook.com directly. 6K drone designed for professionals. Autel Robotics version 2 provides increased transmission stability. Autel Robotics EVO II Pro 6K drone is designed for professionals. EVO II Pro featured Ultra HD camera with a 1-inch sensor, takes photos with a resolution of up to 5472 by 3648, and records 5.5K video at 60 fps or 4K video at 120 fps, with a bitrate of up to 120 mbps. With an adjustable f/2.82 f/11 aperture, it is the perfect choice for any aerial cinematographer or mapping pilot. 40 minutes long flight time. Autel EVO II Pro 6K drone quadcopter comes with a 7100 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 40 minutes of flight time in forward motion and 35 minutes at a hover. This bundle includes 2 spare batteries. Please fully charge the aircraft battery before flying to ensure have great flight experience. 5.59 miles extended transmission range. Autel EVO II Pro drone allows video transmission and drone control from up to 9 kilometers away. A longer range also means a stronger signal, which also means the 2.4 GHz signal is strong enough to control the drone in crowded urban environments and thick forests. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Autel Robotics EVO II 6K camera drone comes with 12 computer vision sensors, 2 sonar sensors, and 2 LED landing lights, working together to create an aircraft with the best obstacle avoidance. This function can help EVO II drone around the environment safely. Please note the version 2 aircraft, which will not work with version 1 controller/Autel Smart Controller, version 1/Autel Live Deck version 1.
This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.
DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo Drone, with 3-axis gimbal camera 5.4K, video 1-inch CMOS sensor 4, directions of obstacle sensing 31, min flight time max 7.5 mile video, transmission master shots, gray, brand DJI model name, GR2S FMCRB color gray, control type remote control, video capture resolution 5.4K HD, are batteries included? Yes. Item, weight 20.99 ounces. Video output, resolution 5.4K HD, remote control included? Yes. Battery cell composition lithium, polymer 1INCH image, sensor equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers, pixels. DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K/30 fps and 4K/60 fps video, master shots. The next Evolution of quick shots. Master Shots is an advanced, intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. The center of attention, Focus Track, features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. 1 billion colors. The 10-bit log-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. 7.5 miles max video transmission. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3 OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. Environment sensing. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds.